Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Scrubmas Day 5. Scrubmas is when I try to post as many scrub formulas on my channel in the month of December as I possibly can. So let's see what the stocking has in store for us today. Ta-da! This is a cranberry jelly facial scrub. Forever ago, I ordered some cranberry puree from makingcosmetics.com and I haven't used it and I need to use it. So I used it all up to make this. And it's heavily inspired by my pumpkin jelly face scrub I've made in the past. So let's just get into it. I'm going to show you guys how I made this cranberry puree jelly facial scrub. You want to start out with a sanitized container. It doesn't need to be heat safe or anything. And add in glycerin along with xanthan gum soft and combine the two together. You want to combine the two together first before adding in the Euxyl K900, that is the preservative. You can use any water-soluble broad-spectrum preservative you would like. And then go ahead and add in the distilled water. So I added in a little bit at a time as I mixed it because this will immediately start to thicken and gel. This is due to the xanthan gum. And make sure you combine the glycerin and xanthan gum first or else the xanthan gum will clump up. So make sure you have all the water incorporated and mixed in before you add in the cranberry puree. And make sure this is cosmetic grade. Don't just go to the store and buy food cranberry puree. It needs to be cosmetic grade. I got mine from makingcosmetics.com. So once everything is combined, it should look like this. And then I went ahead and grabbed some red water-soluble dye and added in a drop because I wanted to see, I don't know what it would do. I don't know. It was pointless, so don't do that. Anyway, moving on. I added in cocamidopropyl betaine. This is a surfactant that will help add lather to this product. And decyl glucoside, which is another surfactant that will help add lather. And then lastly, I sprinkled on top bamboo stem powder, some red jojoba pearls, and I just kind of did a combination of two because I wanted to see like what the red looked like, and I liked the red, so then I sprinkled more red jojoba pearls on top. So I did go over a little bit of like 1% of the bamboo stem powder, so just keep that in mind. You can add a little bit more, but yeah, you can use any combination of like bamboo stem powder, red jojoba pearls, or white jojoba pearls. Sorry, that was confusing. Everything will be written down in the description box. Anyway, I let that sit overnight, and here we are the next day. I'm just showing you guys how it scoops. It's not really a scoopable scrub, you know. This is a jelly face scrub. It's not like the scrubs we've been making in Scrubmas prior to this. Anyway, I transferred this into a piping bag to get these in the bottles easier because this was a thick gel and it did not want to go through a funnel at all. So I had to pour it into a piping bag. Just to let you guys know, you're going to have a heck of a time getting this into a bottle unless you use a piping bag. And this is how it looks once you have it squeezed on your hand. I love the way it looks once it's on the hand. I actually don't think it looks that good in the bottle. It looks much prettier on your hands. And then when you add in water, it will lather up. So this makes a great, gentle, mild facial exfoliator. Just make sure to not get those beads in your eyes because I feel like that could happen. That worries me. Also, don't forget to go over and check out my Patreon where I post 2 exclusive videos every single month. So there is a ton of videos you can go over there and binge watch. For only $5 a month, you get access to the entire backlog. And for $10 a month, you can get a shout out for your small business. So let's shout everybody out. Nature's a Farm Girl, Let's Blend LLC.com, Stardust Bath and Body over on Instagram, hempygirl.com, shoplevis.com, Owl and Lily over on Etsy, embracebeautyessentials.com, Legendary Bath and Body, Astari Apothecary, Revega Cosmetics here on YouTube, exorebb.com, Pardo Naturals, Natural State Skin, thenatureinus.ca, nearcatelier.com. You can use the code on the screen for 20% off, earthandambernaturals.com, Shark City Naturals, and the rest of these companies are launching soon. skinbydevu.com, 7th House and Oak over on Etsy, at Black Petal Beauty on Instagram, and mycrownandglowery.com. Thank you guys so much for your support. Literally without the Patreon, I would not be able to continue doing what I do. You guys literally sponsor every single video, so thank you guys so much.